I'm okra. I bind cholesterol and help remove it.
Hello! I'm avocado. Annie, the best fruit to help lower cholesterol.
Hello, I'm garlic. I help protect your heart from cholesterol. Hello, I'm apple. My fiber helps clean cholesterol.
Hello! I'm olive oil. I keep your arteries smooth and flexible.
Hello, I'm walnut. I support healthy cholesterol balance. Hello, I'm oats. I trap cholesterol before it harms you. Hello, I'm green tea. I help flush out excess cholesterol.